Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're doing a deep dive on two tiny CSS keywords that confuse almost everybody, initial and inherit. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what each property does, when to use which one, common mistakes, and how to avoid them. If you've ever wondered why your text suddenly turned black or why a border disappeared, this video is for you. Smash the like button if you're ready, and let's jump in. Most beginners think inherit is copy from parent and initial is reset to normal. That sounds right, but it's only half true. The real difference is much bigger, and today we'll see why. We have small piece of HTML, a mom with 3 kids, kid normal, kid inherit, kid initial. Let give style to mom. Every kid under mom's div will apply the same style. Now let's meet the 3 kids one by one. Normal kid has no extra CSS. What happens? Text color red is copied from mom automatically. Font size 50px is copied automatically. Background light blue is copied automatically. But border is none. Borders are not copied automatically. Keep in mind, some properties copy themselves, we call them inherited, some don't, we call them non-inherited. Now we add some CSS to kid inherit. Color inherit, same as mom's color, red. Font size inherit, same as mom, 50px. Background inherit, light blue color, like mom. Border inherit, border is same as mom's. This kid looks almost exactly like mom. Please note something here. Inherit is like copy whatever my parent has right now. It works even for things that normally don't copy: border, padding, background, margin, etc. This is super useful for buttons inside cards, icons inside headers, etc. Now let's add CSS to kid initial element and see what happens. Color initial becomes black. Font size initial becomes 16px. It is browser default value. Background initial becomes transparent. Browser does not set any default value to background. Border initial, border is none because browser default value is none. As you see, this kid ignores mom's properties completely. Please keep in mind, initial value uses the browser's very first default value for the property. Let me clarify again. When to use which one value? Use inherit when making a button match its card's background, icons that should have the same color as text, custom checkboxes that need parent's font. Use initial when you want to undo a color someone set higher up, reset font size inside a big heading, make something transparent again. That's it. I can hope now you truly understand initial versus inherit. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Comment initial or inherit. Tell me which one you use more. See you in the next one. Happy coding!